Hey there everybody, got leftover baked beans. I'm going to show you what I do with them. I'm frying up some smoked sausage. I've got some sauteed red onions, and then I'm going to add some more stuff in a minute. I'm going to brown up some ground beef with some Cajun seasoning, garlic. No. Sorry. Well, I hope it's edible. It's going to have a lot of garlic. So I put the garlic powder in there, dumped it in there. And I'm going to add some pepper. Make sure which side's open before you sprinkle. I had that big side open last night for something I made. Oh gosh, I hope it's not too much, but I think it's a lot. Look at all that on the bottom. I'm going to scrape this off and then I'll show you what I do next. So I got my sausage and my onions that I sauteed in here. Looking good. And then I have my leftover baked beans. Hopefully you can see that. Got the baked beans in here going. My cousin Tim has some really good recipes for baked beans. I'll try to either link them in here or you can check them out for yourself. I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out if you would like and subscribe. And watch more of our videos. We've got some really good videos on here. It's not just me and my cousin Tim. My cousin Tracy and Susan and Steve have videos on there. I just added a can of just regular pork and beans in here. I'm going to add half a can of water of the pork and bean can. I'm going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. And then just some regular old-fashioned yellow mustard. And then I'm going to give it a taste and see what else we can do. And hopefully the garlic isn't too much. Because I hate that I ruin this whole thing. It smells good. But I love garlic, so garlic smells good. It's just something to use up. I went to Life Group last night and we had hot dogs and hamburgers and I made the baked beans. And let's give this a try. Get some of the hamburger, the sausage, the beans. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's bad. Actually, I was really scared of that garlic, but that is good. I'm going to add a little bit more tanginess to it. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just a capful. I'm not going to add a whole bunch. I'll try it one more time. adding just just a little bit of better than bouillon. I use the vegetable one because it doesn't matter if it's beef or chicken. It's kind of like adding chicken stock, and that goes with that water that I added in there. Because I think it needed a little bit more salt. Canned foods are already naturally salty, but I needed just a touch more. I'm just making this up because, like I said, I had all the leftover baked beans and didn't know what else to do. I had the sausage in the fridge and I had some hamburger in the freezer, so I thought, let's just figure that out. I'm just gonna eat my whole bowl right out of the pan, I think. That is good. I think I'm gonna call it good. So next time you have leftover baked beans, or you just want to get a can of baked beans, if you don't want to make your own like Tim does, get you a can of your favorite baked beans, mix it with some sausage, some hamburger and pork and beans, and some onions, and then throw in whatever you think might taste good, because I just made this up. I put the barbecue sauce, the mustard, and the apple cider vinegar, and it's really tasty, guys.